What's up guys, Mike here. Welcome to the year 2021. And in this channel, we talk a lot about stocks, investing, credit cards, as well soon to be real estate. Now in this video, I want to go over some of the best credit cards you guys need to have for the year 2021. After all, credit cards change constantly. New ones come out, old ones leave, and a lot of things constantly change. And I want to make sure you guys are taking full advantage of all of these. After all, if you do this correctly and strategically, you can take full advantage of the bonuses that come with credit cards, such as free travel, cashback, points that can be redeemed for many other things, as well as other travel and incentive bonuses, such as getting the lowest interest rate for mortgages you want to apply for and any other type of loan that you would like to take some money and borrow any other money. So with that said, guys, if you guys smash that like button right now, I'll give you some outstanding, some extra credit, get it? Extra credit. Or if you have any interest in this video, get it? Interest, you might discover some new credit cards that you haven't seen before. Get it? Discover credit card. Anyway, so if you guys want me to stop joking around, make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. Go over the best credit cards you can get in 2021 if you have no credit or zero experience. Let's start from the bottom and move all the way up. Now, my number one choice would go to the Discover It secured card. So here is the thing. This card has been the best card consistently year after year without failing. And not one single card out there is better than this one if you are just starting out and without any credit. Not to mention, this card has the entire package for everything you guys need, all wrapped up in a square tiny piece of plastic. So here's why this card is so good and why you need to have it as your first starting credit card. When you have zero credit score and still want to build your credit score, you need to start with a secured credit card. This means you put down a refundable security deposit, and in return, they give you a credit line for the exact amount. So for example, let's say you give them $250 security deposit and they will give you a $250 credit line. However, what makes Discover so much better from all the other cards out there is that it actually is a good card. Most secured credit cards are aimed at people who have no idea what they're doing, so they charge them for every small thing, such as fees, annual fees, and so much more. And when you're building your credit, it shouldn't cost you a single dime. And with Discover, they have zero annual fee, and they also give you rewards right there. Zero annual fee and rewards, which makes it very fantastic. And this card gives you a 2% cash back on restaurants and gas stations up to the first $1,000, and unlimited 1% on pretty much everything else. That way, there's more. They also have a promotion to match your cash back within the first year. So it's like as if you're getting 4% cash back on restaurants and gas station, and pretty much 2% on everything else for free. So just ask yourself, do you want 2% discount on all your purchases? And of course, the answer is always yes. You thought it couldn't get any better? Well, it actually does. With Discover, you also get to monitor your FICO score and keep track of your credit score and how it performs over time. All you guys really have to do is just pay off your balance in full on time at the end of every month. That way you owe absolutely nothing in interest and on any of your purchases. Now, the second card on my list is the Pedal One Visa credit card. Now, the name of this card sounds kind of weird, but actually this card helps build your credit score definitely over time. That the Pedal One Visa card looks beyond your credit history, and instead it looks like your banking history. They pretty much look at your cash score and shows your credit worthiness and can help you qualify for more credit at better rates. This card, they give you a credit line anywhere from $500 to $5,000, and best of all, there is zero annual fee. Also offer anywhere from 2% to 10% cash back on select merchants, and the mobile interface can help you better understand how much you spend and what you need to do to pay off your balance in full to help keep better track of your credit score. The only downside is the APR from 19.9% up to 20.49% interest rate. So yes, I know it's extremely high. If you do this correctly though, you should never even pay any interest on any of your cards ever, which should be pretty much your main goal with a credit card. The interest rate only applies if you don't pay your credit card balance in full by the time it's due. So when you pay in full, you never should be paying even a single dime in interest. That's why you should never buy anything you don't have the money for in the first place with any of your credit cards. Number 3, this is the very popular credit card now, and lately that's the Apple credit card. I actually just got this myself, and I'll do an unboxing right now for you guys in this video so you guys can get a nice look at what's going on with this card. Alright, so let's do the quickly unboxing event. Apple just sends this card in a package with a FedEx, and pretty much it's a pretty cool little box you get. Let me focus that for you guys. You get to see the bottom, and then you just voila, open it up. Looks pretty sick, and all you have to do is just tap this to your phone, and it unlocks it for you. And then once you pull out the card, it's pretty cool, dope card. Look at that, just your name, and then your back of this says Goldman Sachs card. And one thing I really enjoy about this card is that it's a titanium coated card, titanium metal. And when you drop this, it makes a really dope sound. Just watch. I love that sound. It sounds amazing. This card does require that you have a minimum of a 600 credit score to qualify. So if it's your first starting out credit card, I'd recommend you first start with the Discover It Secured card and then build your credit, and over time move on to this card. But assuming you do have a credit history and this card is a great option for you, so here's what it does. It first has 0 annual fee, which makes it fantastic. Second, they give you unlimited daily cash back. When you use the Apple credit card with Apple Pay, you also get unlimited 2% cash back on everything. You also get 3% cash back on Apple products, and also at select merchants that you see from the selected stores of here. The Apple Card is also great for tracking your expenses and learning good financial habits to make sure you pay your credit as soon as possible to avoid paying any interest with the credit card. The part is that you get a titanium card that sounds like this. Overall, I really recommend this card, especially if you're constantly buying Apple products, because that 3% really adds up, especially when you're buying $1,200 worth of its Apple products. And honestly, these iPhones are just getting ridiculously expensive. Fourth, this is a card I really enjoy using, and that is the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. Now, this card does require you to have a pretty much good credit score and in good standing, so make sure you do build your credit before you apply for using this one. And assume you do get approved, this card is actually really great. They give you a $200 cashback bonus sign up with 0 annual fee. You get that $200 when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, and pretty much most people do this anyways within the first 90 days, so it's pretty much perfect. It's pretty much free money because you're getting like the 3% cash back in selected categories such as gas, grocery, shopping, dining, travels, drugstores, home improvements, furnishing, and then you also get the 2% cash back at the grocery and wholesale club, and the 1% cash back pretty much on everything else. And you'll earn 3% and 2% cash back on the first 2,500 in combined categories of grocery, stores, wholesales, products, and each quarter they do give you extra bonuses at the same time. I was saying, if you're already a Preferred Rewards member club, you can change that 3% to a 5.25% cash back. But the catch here is that you need to have a $100,000 bank account with them, and that's just a cash account, not the savings account. And honest to be truth with that is it's really not worth it. To keep that much money in a regular account is just not worth it. So that I think is a pass for me with the 5.25%. I just take the 3% instead. Also offer a 12 months of free 0% interest, and it's pretty much one of the only credit cards that has this. And it's like as if you're getting a 0% interest loan for 1 year, but I think you should always make sure to pay it off in full to avoid any interest charges in the future. Last one is a new credit card that just came out, and that is the Chase Freedom Flex card. And it's also another free card with 0 annual fee, and this one is a little bit better than the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. But with this one, you do need a better credit score to get approved. And if you do get it, this will beat out all the other cards that we discussed so far. First of all, they have the $200 bonus credit when you spend only $500 in the first 3 months, and you also get 5% cash back on grocery up to $12,000 during your first year. Then you get the 5% cash back up to $1,500 on bonus, 5% on travel, 3% on restaurants, 3% on drugstores, and also 1% pretty much on everything else. This card even better is that they give you a 0% interest for 15 months, unlike the 12 months you get from the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. Now, this is a card that you want to definitely keep in your wallet at all times. They also give you 3 months worth of Dash Pass with activation, and if you like to order food, this is definitely the card for you. But honestly, I think DoorDash is just too expensive and a waste of money. But anyways, guys, if you want the bonus of the $200 cashback bonus for the next 3 months, I have the link in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. It helps me out as well if you use my link. And you also get the $200 credit when you apply for this card through my link. You get $300 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks or credit cards you'd like me to do a video on in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to either answer you if you have a question on it or maybe feature it in my next video coming out very soon. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do pretty much try to post there daily. Anything I buy, sell in stocks or any new credit cards that I see, I do try to post it on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. Also, guys, make sure you take full advantage of right now WeBull's promotion. They are giving 4 free stocks, 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 3 additional stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 free stocks with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. So check the link in the description box below. Also, if you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check the link for that one. And of course, right now, if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives out free stocks as well. Check the links on the description box for all of those right down there. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.